Omar with AC Power Comfort out here at one of my clients' location out here in Weston. Today we're in an air handler room. We just got through changing out a 15 horsepower motor in the system. Here, real quick, open it. Okay. This motor in here was just changed out. We'll be putting the cover plate back on, but right now what we're going to do is we already went through the parameters on the ABB Drive to add the information that's required and the specifications for this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do an ID run, which I'll go to the drive. We're going to close this because you want to get a good reading based on its also the static pressure and all when the motor is actually operating. So in here, basically what we're going to do is we're going to go to the menu. We'll go to parameters. I already have as startup data. This is very basic, very simple, but you want to make sure that you do an ID run on your motor. So just so that the ABB Drive knows the type of motor it has, what it can and cannot do, basically just stuff to protect the motor more or less. You'll hear some sounds. Let's go here, let's scroll down. Oh, start up, select. We already put our RPMs, we put our horsepower, voltage, ID run here. We're going to change that to on. When I do that, it's going to give me an alarm. Alarm 2019, it says ID run in the actual ABB Drive manual here. So what we'll do is we'll put it on hand, we'll exit, and what it's going to do is you're going to hear the actual motor, you'll hear the sounds as it amps up and amps back down, but pretty much that's what you have to do in order to when you install a new motor. Just again, this is something to protect. As you can hear the sound, eventually it'll go away. You'll have a high pitch, then a low pitch. And right now what it's doing is actually studying the motor. Pretty much, that's it. You see as the sound went away, it'll probably come back again. This test is probably just roughly, as you can see, it came back again. It's probably about maybe 2-3 minute test, not long at all. And then after it's done, basically this alarm code will actually go away. Okay, as you can see, the alarm code 2019 is gone. So now we're pretty much set. I already put all the parameters that needed to be in there. So now what we can do is we can actually put the system, we already have it on drive, we removed it off of bypass. We can put the system on hand now. And that's pretty it. Pretty much simple. Again, I'm Omar, AC Power and Comfort, something very basic and simple with an ABB Drive. There's other stuff in this manual itself that's pretty informative and that will assist on for troubleshooting issues, alerts and alarms. And that's pretty much it. Again, Omar with AC Power and Comfort, www.acpowercomfort.com. Thank you for viewing.